babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be diving into a topic that I feel like it has been very confusing to some of you out there, especially for those that are just starting to wear makeup and they really do not like to wear heavy makeup, and that is where a no makeup comes in. So what is a no makeup look? As the name implies, it's a makeup that you wear but giving that vibe or that finished off, you're not wearing anything. So in the real sense, you're wearing a makeup. So that's what a no makeup is. If you're just finding my channel for the first time, hi, I am HJ Signatures. I am a professional makeup artist and a content creator in Lagos, Nigeria. If you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more beauty tips like this. So let's jump right into it. The first thing is, before you start any makeup at all, you want to make sure you're starting with a clean skin. So I'm going into a micellar water, and this is from Dr. Rachel. So basically this is what I use on my skin. So after cleansing, just as you would do with your regular makeup steps, you also want to use a skincare product on your skin. It is very important, most especially because we're going for a no makeup look. So our skin is the focus here in this tutorial. So the next product after cleansing is a moisturizer. And after the moisturizer, I'm going to allow it to sink into my skin. And I'll go on top of that with a sunscreen. Some people, they like to go with a tinted moisturizer. So if you have a clean skin, what I meant by clean skin is if your skin has no blemishes, like maybe spots, what to cover, then this step is not necessary. If you have some spots that bothers you and you want to cover up, then you will need to use a concealer to do that. So if you're using a concealer, you need to use a concealer. Remember, you're not using like a typical foundation. So you want to use a concealer that best match your skin really well to give off that no makeup look. First of all, I'll go ahead and conceal my face with a concealer and see what that gives me before I would decide if I actually want to go in with a tinted moisturizer or not. For this larger part that is showing a lot of that dark spots, I'm going to use a color corrector. Seal it. You can see that, see? You can get to a point where you will start packing so much of this concealer. So you have to be very careful. The goal here is not to completely cover up all the spots, because if you allow a few spots to still show through, that will also further add to the no makeup look. We're still going to intentionally leave some spots showing. So like this side here, I am going to be leaving the spots on this side. I am going to be leaving some spots, but the part that looks like going to be in people's face, we're going to make sure we cancel that out. What I have here, I'm going to be leaving it. I'm not going to be touching it. See guys, I'm just using this little, that's what I've been using since. And this part under the eye, if you have any dark circle, you want to conceal that. This, remember that doing a no makeup look, you will not have that super flawless skin look because you're not packing on a whole lot of products. So you're not going to have that super, you're not contouring, you're not highlighting under your eyes. You're just mimicking how you look. If you have any red line around your nose, you can also go around there and cover it and use your hands to blend. If you have any dark circle under your eyes, for me, I don't have dark circle. Let's say this part of your under eyes is deep in. So what you want to do, instead of going under your eyes here, just place the concealer around here like that and tap. So any part of your eye that has like really dark line, first of all, you need to color correct. If you don't color correct, after sometimes once the product settles into your skin, it's going to give that grayish look and it won't be nice. So always make sure you use a color corrector that works for that particular undertone that you're seeing in the blemishes. So guys, I'm going to go into the brows. So I'm going to be using a brow gel on this part here. for filling in my brows, I'm using a liquid pen liner. So for my lips, I am using this lip palette. This is a lip stain. It's a matte lip stain, but it doesn't give a matte finishing. It's more in between um, creamy and matte. It's not completely matte. It's that comfortable. It gives you a comfortable matte finishing. So I'm going to look at what I have naturally in my lips. This is something pink. So I'm going to put that. I just decide to put a bit of that on my cheek so we don't just look all flat, you know, just a little. And you can bring it across your nose. Bringing it across your nose will give off that natural look. Can you see? When you bring it across your nose, it gives that, you know, natural look. The blush I added now just give it a whole different look and make it look really, really nice. For my lips, I can decide to leave it like this, or I can basically just go ahead and use a clear gloss on top of it. So guys, the next step is to tight line. This is very, very optional, but I just want to tight line. So can you see the difference, guys? From this side to this side. So because I have concealer on this part of my face, I am going to be using a sealing spray just on that side. So it keeps, this will help me lock the concealer in place and it's not going to allow it move. So I'll come back and show you guys how the total makeup is looking like. Keep watching. So babes, this is my own version of no makeup look. I'm sure you guys will agree with me that this is a perfect no makeup look. But guys, this doesn't mean that you cannot change things. You cannot add what you feel like adding. I mean, this is not me saying this is how far you should go. At the end of the day, it is all about you guys. It is what makes you feel comfortable. So if you feel this is looking too natural for you to go out with, please by all means do what makes you feel comfortable. And I love how my skin is looking really, really glowy and it's looking really healthy. What do you guys think about this look? Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. You guys are amazing. I see you guys support on my previous videos. You guys are really, really amazing. If this video explain to you in detail what a no makeup look like, if you understand what a no makeup look through this video, kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know guys. And if you found this very, very helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips like this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay fabulous guys. You guys are amazing. Bye guys. Thank you.